Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best AC stop leak is probably one of the most effective ways to repair leaks in your car's air conditioning system, saving you potentially hundreds of dollars on costly repairs. In this video, we will put AC stop leak R134 Super Seal to the test, examining its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to determine if it lives up to the hype and is the right choice for your vehicle. Number 5. InterDynamics R134A Leak Stop Kit. This kit is your solution for repairing leaks in your car's air conditioning system. It's easy to use and helps keep you cool. It contains refrigerant and additives to effectively seal leaks in various parts of your AC system. It's a simple and effective solution. It repairs leaks in metal components like evaporators and condensers, and seals leaks in rubber parts such as O-rings and hoses. It's designed for comprehensive repair. The kit includes a red dye to help you easily locate larger leaks that can't be repaired with this kit. This helps you identify the problem area. It features a reusable dispensing hose designed to work with standard R134A cans. It's designed for simple and safe application. With this kit, you can quickly and easily fix your car's AC system and enjoy a comfortable ride again. It's the smart choice for AC repair. What we like. It effectively patches up metal and rubber leaks in your car's AC system. Plus, it has a built-in leak detection dye to help pinpoint larger issues. If you need a reliable solution for various leak types, this is a great option. What people say. It came with a detachable hose that made it easy to dispense. Sealed up a slow leak and the system has held a charge for months now. Very easy to use as well. Installed this product almost 4 months ago and it is still blowing cold. Number 4. Leak Saver Ultimate 3-in-1. It's a 3-in-1 solution for all your AC refrigerant leak sealing needs. This product seals leaks, removes moisture, and helps you locate leaks with its UV dye. It permanently seals refrigerant leaks, reacting with air and moisture at the leak site. It even works as preventative maintenance to seal future leaks. It's compatible with all systems and refrigerants, except ammonia, including car AC systems, central air conditioners, and more. It works with various refrigerants like R410A, R22, and R134A. Installation is straightforward. It injects directly into the system with a manifold gauge set. Adapters may be needed for certain systems, like automotive or mini-splits. It's safe for all your tools and parts, including manifold gauges, hoses, and valves. Just remember to use the correct adapters for specific systems. With over 4 million units sold, it's the most trusted leak sealant among professionals. We stand 100% behind its quality and offer a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This product is a 3-in-1 solution that seals leaks, removes moisture, and includes UV dye. It creates a lasting seal and is compatible with almost all systems. If you're looking for a comprehensive and versatile solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Use the charge-in with refrigerant method, tube was clear and it was in a couple of seconds, very simple. This summer 90 to 100 F and higher, my house chillin' at 70 F all summer. Very easy to install. Put it on low side and push in with some refrigerant. It went in without any problem. Number 3. BlueDevil Red Angel 49496 AC Stop Leak. It's the remarkable AC leak repair solution for your vehicle. It effectively seals leaks without harming your system. This product easily repairs leaks in condensers, evaporators, hoses, gaskets, and O-rings. It's a comprehensive solution for your AC problems. Unlike other solutions, it contains no solid particles. This ensures it won't clog your system or damage your recovery unit. It creates a chemical weld, permanently sealing leaks in both R12 and R134A systems. It's compatible with various refrigerant types. It provides a permanent seal, giving you long-lasting peace of mind. And it comes with a guarantee, so you can trust its effectiveness. It's simple to use and provides a permanent solution to your AC leaks. Get back to enjoying cool air in your car quickly and easily. What we like. It provides a lasting solution for your AC leaks without the risk of clogging. It's also compatible with both R12 and R134A systems. If you need a permanent fix that's safe for your system, this is a good choice. What people say. It's now spring 2024, it's 90 degrees out and I still have icy cold AC without needing to pay for a recharge. 3 months down the road the AC is still cold and leak-free. I'm now going on 2 months plus of it holding the R134A, which is by far the longest I've ever seen. Number 2. AC Pro Super Seal AC Kit. It's here to help you fix those pesky air conditioning leaks. This kit contains everything you need for a quick and easy repair. You get a 3-ounce can with a special blend of R134A and additives, along with a handy dispensing hose. It's all you need to get your AC working again. The included hose is designed for simple use with R134A cans. Just attach it and you're ready to go. It effectively seals leaks in various components, including metal parts like evaporators and condensers, and rubber parts like hoses and gaskets. It contains a red dye that helps you pinpoint larger leaks that might need more attention. This will help you address the problem effectively. With AC Pro, you can take on car AC maintenance yourself. Save money and get back on the road cool and comfortable. What we like. This kit is designed to fix existing leaks and prevent future ones, and it comes with refrigerant. The easy-to-use design makes it perfect for DIY car maintenance. If you want a convenient and effective all-in-one solution, this is it. What people say. Easy to use, works well, and continues to work longer term. This product is amazing. Mechanic quoted me close to $800 to fix the leak. This stuff sealed it up and no more leak. It took a couple days to seal up completely, but it has been about a month now and the PSI and temperature are consistent. Quality product. My BMW had zero refrigerant pressure and was not blowing any cold air. Decided to give this a try and I was pleasantly surprised as I followed these instructions and then added a bottle of refrigerant and brought the charge and pressure up to full. It's been a week now, and I checked the pressure and it is holding. While it may not work for larger leaks, it certainly worked for mine, so I would strongly recommend the product first if it may avoid a more expensive major repair. Number 1. ComStar AC Zero Leak. It's the permanent solution for minor AC leaks. This innovative product seals leaks instantly and is safe for your system. It works on evaporators, condensers, gaskets, and seals. No more worrying about those pesky leaks. It's designed to protect your AC system without harming it. It won't clog or damage your components. It's environmentally safe and suitable for automotive, commercial, and residential use. It's the responsible choice for your AC maintenance. It works with POE, PAG, and mineral oil-based lubricants. It's compatible with most AC systems. Use it for preventive maintenance and leave it in your system. It provides long-lasting protection against leaks. It's made with high-quality materials and manufactured right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and performance. What we like. It's an environmentally friendly option that won't damage your AC system. It creates a permanent seal without hardening, ensuring smooth operation. If you prioritize environmental responsibility and system safety, this is the best choice. What people say. Evaporator leak fixed. Same leak happened 3 years ago after original leak occurred when it was also 3 years old. My AC is ice cold and hanging in there. I expect to put the other half of the AC Zero leak in if needed and will update if I do. This product worked for me. It fixed what appeared to be a large leak on the AC evaporator core on my 2008 Trailblazer. It's been 2 months since I did this, and my AC remains so cold that I rarely have to bring the controls above the minimum fan speed on this sweltering Florida summer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.